There are so many misconceptions about success. Even the word itself, success, is not understood by just about anyone. I mean, if you ask most people what success is, they will probably tell you something that is related to achieving a certain level of money or material wealth. House, car, money, security. Many won't know what to say. But what is success really? Success is nothing more than the achievement of your goals. Your goals, not someone else's. The reason most people don't achieve success then is not because they aren't capable, but because most don't ever define what success is for them. In other words, most don't set goals. And from those that do set goals, many of them fail because their goals are driven by greed. Money-driven goals, material-driven goals. Most don't have any intention to find what their purpose in life is. Most people don't have the belief and knowing that success comes from living your purpose. It's not about achieving money. It's achieving a feeling of completion. Those who are truly successful are those who live what they are passionate about. Their work is lit up with their passion. They don't need a vacation away from work because their work is their passion. Another simple way anyone can be successful is one word many of us use, but hardly any of us live by today. That's gratitude. Those who are genuinely grateful for everything they have, regardless of where they are in life financially, are successful by default. Because you define what success is for you. And when you are truly grateful every day for the things you do have, everything else that comes is a bonus. Just about every really great human on this planet teaches the importance of gratitude. Ask yourself, why do these leaders, these super successful humans, these super happy, giving, great humans teach gratitude first before anything else? It's because when you are truly grateful, you are truly successful. Many believe if they get too content with their situation, they will lose their drive. I can tell you the opposite is true. When you are grateful, you are filled with positive energy that will make achieving your goals much easier. You can still strive for more. You can still achieve more. Just get grateful first.